Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello everyone, in this question, here they have asked that in a reaction you start with 20.63 grams of cobalt and he did this experiment in pure oxygen. So here they said that after the experiment 31.83 grams of cobalt oxide produced. So here they have asked that empirical formula of cobalt oxide. So here they have given cobalt, that is mass of cobalt which is equal to 20.63 grams. So and also they have given mass of product, that is cobalt oxide, mass of cobalt oxide which is equal to 31.83 grams. So this is our product. So here they have asked that empirical formula of cobalt oxide. So here they have asked that empirical formula of cobalt oxide. This one we are going to find out. So here first we are going to find out the number of moles of cobalt and number of moles of oxygen which is involved in this reaction. So here first we are going to find out the number of moles of cobalt, that is this solution. The number of moles of cobalt is equal to mass of cobalt, that is 20.63 grams upon molar mass of cobalt is, we know that is 58.63 gram per mole. So here we will get the number of moles of cobalt which is equal to 0.350 moles. After that we are going to find out the number of moles of oxygen. So N of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen upon molar mass of oxygen. Molar mass of oxygen is 16 gram per mole, but we don't know mass of oxygen. So first we are going to find out mass of oxygen. So here we are going to find out mass of oxygen. So mass of oxygen is equal to, so mass of product minus mass of cobalt. So in calcium oxide it contains calcium as well as oxygen. So here they have given mass of calcium oxide, that is 31.83 grams minus mass of cobalt is 20.63. So here we'll get the mass of oxygen which is equal to 11.20 grams. So in calcium oxide the mass of oxygen present which is equal to 11.20 grams. Now we are going to substitute here number of moles of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen, that is equal to 11.20 grams. So here we will get the number of moles of oxygen which is equal to 0.7 moles. After that we are going to find out here the mole ratio. Mole ratio is equal to we are going to find out mole ratio which is equal to number of moles of cobalt and number of moles of oxygen. So here we are going to divide the smallest number. So here the smallest number is 0.350. Hence we are going to find out the number of mole ratio of cobalt is equal to moles of cobalt, that is 0.350 moles upon smallest number is also 0.350. So here we get the mole ratio of cobalt is 1. Similarly the mole ratio of oxygen. So moles of oxygen, here we got 0.7 moles upon the smallest number is 0.350. So here we get mole ratio of oxygen is 2. Hence empirical formula is here it is cobalt, number of moles is 1, cobalt 1, oxygen 2. So here this can be written as cobalt CO O twice. This is the empirical formula of cobalt oxide. Hope you found the solution useful to you. Thank you.